In today's video, I'm going to teach you delete your sent photos, unsend. We'll walk through how to remove photos you sent in Instagram DMs, how to clear received photos from your view, and how to tidy up the chat's media gallery for a cleaner inbox. Start by opening the Instagram app and tapping the messages icon, the paper airplane at the top right. Pick the conversation that contains the photo you sent, press and hold on that photo until the options appear, then tap unsend and confirm. The photo disappears instantly from the thread. If you unsend before the other person views it, it's removed from both sides. The chat will show a small notice that says this message was unsent, so the recipient will know something was removed. Keep in mind, if they already saw the photo or received a notification, unsending won't undo what they've already viewed. Now, if the photo was sent to you, you can't delete it from the other person's chat. You can only remove it from your own view. Inside the conversation, press and hold the received photo and tap delete. That clears it on your side only. If you want a deeper clean, you can delete the entire conversation. From your inbox, swipe left on that chat, tap delete, and confirm. This wipes the thread for you, but the other person keeps their copy of the messages and photos unless they choose to unsend them themselves. Think of this as a personal cleanup, not a universal delete. To manage what shows up in the chat's media gallery preview, open the conversation and tap the media icon at the top, the grid or gallery view. Here you'll see all shared photos. Press and hold any item to select it. If it's a photo you sent, you can choose unsend to remove it for everyone. If it's a photo you received, choose delete to remove it from your side. For a major cleanup, consider deleting and recreating the conversation after backing up anything important. Save the photos or videos you need first, then remove the thread so the media gallery is as tidy as possible going forward. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure your app is up to date so the icons and menus match what you see here. Options may be labeled slightly differently on iPhone and Android, but the flow is the same. And remember, unsend is about removing content from the chat, but it can't reverse someone's memory or a screenshot. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.